Hello, welcome today to another episode of Building Public with regard to Nextdoor automation, how to grow your business, get more leads, and I will address very quickly some 6 different ways that are underutilized by users on Nextdoor on how to interlink and share and point to other resources when you are posting on Nextdoor. And this is very useful to get the proper links towards better information, towards resources, and how your potential prospects to contact you. So that will help you get more visibility and stay until the end, because the last one is really underutilized and unknown. So when you are making your post, as always, I always recommend you to create a group in the same theme, in line with your niche. So if you are a professional painter, renovating for fences or houses, then I would strongly encourage you to create a group and post most of your publications in that group. That is a way to create a virtual conversion funnel on Nextdoor and to attract potential leads, because if they're interested in what you're doing, they tend to join that group. The group grows over time, get more members, has social proof by the number of the group, and that gives you even more recognition in your neighborhood. So if you post, I'm not going to post in a group now, but even on your regular timeline, the basic feed, you click post and you write your article and you develop whatever you want to say, or the message you want to relay. Add picture, add video, it's always nice. And you might want to tag someone. Then you press the arrow base and you start writing, for example, Eric, and you will here have a list of the people in your neighborhood and also point to profiles. So let's say you want to tag Eric and Carol, and that's it. And for example, you say, I recommend Eric, who did a great job repainting my fence. That's it. Contact him here. Contact him here. And there you go. You can also, when you're asking for recommendations, once you have finished a project for one of your customers, obviously they will be happy. You should ask always, once you finish a project, for a recommendation. So if these people are on Nextdoor, you ask them to send a message, a post like this, and even better, you point them to your personal profile, professional page, and there's a section for recommendation. And then, since this is a professional page, you ask them to tag your personal profile, just like this. That's an even better way to use this tagging system. Now, the number 2 is to, for example, point and make a link to a professional page. So you just get your professional page URL from the URL bar in Nextdoor, and you just paste it like this, and it will get you a nice link. So again, you can say, I recommend this company, or you make your post and you can see, and you say, for example, We clean your gutters every day, blah blah blah. See our company profile below, and that's it. So this is the second one. That's a easy way to redirect people from your group publications or from your profile personal feed post to your business page within Nextdoor. Another one is you can also, for example, if you're commenting on somebody's request, oh, I'm looking for this and that, then you say we are I am is always better. I am discussing regularly on that topic in my group, and then you just add the link to your group. Again, there will be a link automatically added, and that's another way to redirect people to your group. Now, as I said before, I also recommend to do events regularly, the same way that you did. You have an event, and there you go. You can copy paste the link, of course. Just don't do as most of the people, just copy paste bluntly. You have to tell a story, explain who you are, what you do, and why people should attend that event, because it's going to be great. There are going to be people, we're going to celebrate this and that, we're going to discuss specific topics and so on. As I said, in a strategy to be seen most a maximum time on Nextdoor, I recommend to use every side of the Nextdoor property area, and after the group you can also, and the events, you can also post things for sale or for free. Again, you can sell your personal stuff, but you could also sell second-hand or brand new stuff that are linked to your own business. Let's take for example, you are a painter again, you are using some kind of elevator or crane, you're buying a new one because the one you had before is used. Maybe you can post it here and say second-hand used crane, ideal for painting jobs or facade works, and so on and so on. Or rental, if you want to rent temporarily some of your equipment. That's a way to get to be seen on Nextdoor everywhere, in brackets everywhere. And now we're coming to the last one being people sometimes get difficulties to contact you, so within a post you can add a WhatsApp link. So you write your post and you say, again, we do everyday fence. We have one free slot for next week. First customer or first prospect to contact us to fill this slot will get a 10% discount. Maybe a stupid example, but I don't have any specific commercial. You know better your business than I do, but then you put your commercial message, and then you add a WhatsApp link where your message is already included. So the people who will see that message, you say click on the link to send your request. Your request is pre-formatted. Like let's say for example it says, hi, I need a quote for the refurbishment of my garden fence. When can you plan a visit to my place? Tac. And this is very efficient. People don't waste time looking for your phone number, and that's a way to reduce friction from between your potential prospect and your office and your job and your business. So that were these six unknown, let's say, shortcuts to improve your communication on Nextdoor, and I encourage you to use that regularly. You will see a big difference. You have to reduce as much as possible friction in order for your potential prospects to reach you in an easier way. If you like this video, leave a like. If you did not like, leave a dislike. I'm Eric. We are helping everyday businesses to improve their visibility, to get more leads on Nextdoor. If you have any question, leave them in the comment section, and I'll answer them at a later stage when I see them. Don't forget to subscribe for more useful videos, and I wish you a pleasant day wherever you are. Enjoy. Bye bye.